Well, we're bringing this big block Chevy mud truck up here, and we're going to pull all the running gear out of it for the new off-road truck, because that's what we do. So I'm just carefully bringing it up here because it's still got a rear drive shaft in it, and we need that to not be in there so I can pick it up. So we're just going to use it down here with the loader fork and start pulling it down again. So here we go. Fam, we're pulling a frame off this Suburban here because we're going to use it on the off-road truck, so we're getting there. So here we go. Is that why they call it the doghouse, right?
It must be. You can cut that wire.
So did the bolt break or did it end up coming out?
I got it cut about halfway and then it broke.
Yeah.
That's what I was kind of hoping would happen. We're ready to go.
Alright, I'll pick it up. Getting your sweat on, Ray?
Yeah, I'm not liking it.